In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to quickly fix Notepad is corrupted, not found, or not working in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to uninstall your Notepad. So by that, you need to proceed at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. Once done, please proceed to the left pane and find for an option called Apps. Click on it. Afterwards, you'll see the sixth option. Please proceed to install apps where you can uninstall and manage apps on your PC. Click on it so that you can see all of the list of applications that are present in your device. So here you need to wait until it would be ready first before we proceed. Once ready, please scroll down on the list and find for Notepad. Once you find it, you need to navigate to the three dots, click on it, and click on Uninstall. The moment you click on it, wait until it would be removed here in your computer, and then close the window, and then open your Microsoft Store. So here at the Microsoft Store, please search for Notepad and go with Windows Notepad and install it in your PC, okay? So it marked here open because I'm not uninstalling my Windows Notepad because it is not corrupted, it's working fine, and it's being present in my PC. But in your case, if you have faced Notepad issues, then you need to install it to reinstall it again. So click on install, wait until it would be done, and then complete the procedure, install it in your PC or computer, and use that newly installed Notepad here in your Windows 11. Okay, I'm sure it will be working fine this time. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.